Hey restoration fans, on today's video we're going to be unboxing and unveiling the 1965 through 66 Mustang vent window. We're also going to be giving you our honest opinion to see if it's worth every penny. Stay tuned. This is the box as we received it. At first glance it's unusual, there's no tape holding the box together. It's only held by these small pieces of yarn. We're going to proceed to opening it to see how everything is packed inside. Alright guys, there you have it. The brand new vent window. I can tell you that it looks properly packed, and inside the plastic it looks really nice. Let's proceed to unpackaging it to see how it looks without the plastic protection. Alright, so it's a bit heavy. I would guesstimate 15-20 pounds. Everything looks new. The felt looks fine. The chrome so far looks like it has some small scratches. Could imagine that's because of the plastic. Not too sure. Let's flip it the other way. You can see there's some scratches on this as well. Nothing big, nothing major, just small surface scratches. Overall though, it looks good. Here on the glass, it says tempered safety glass. There's a DOT number on it. Next, we're gonna proceed to actually testing out the handle. Not sure if you can hear that, but there's a good click going on. That lets me know that there's a decent amount of tension, and it's a little bit difficult to close. That's all good news. That means it's sealing well. We really won't know until we have it on the car and drive on the highway and find out whether it's leaking air or not. I can tell you that after looking a little bit closer, I'm not sure if I can get you to see it, but you'll see here the seal there and the seal there are a tad bit off. I grabbed a microfiber cloth to see if I can remove some of these surface scratches. This will give you a better idea if they're really bad or not. I know for some people it's more important than it is for others, so I want to make sure you get a really good idea before you put this in your shopping cart. So it seems to do the job. The scratches are not bad whatsoever. I can totally live with the way it is in comparison to the pitted one that's on my car right now. So there you have it. With a little love of the microfiber cloth, this part's good to go. I'm really happy I purchased them. I'm going through a full restoration. That means I'm changing everything on the outside. I was very hesitant to get these parts because they're 300 bucks a piece. That puts me out of pocket $600. When you're doing a restoration, it's a lot of money. However, I didn't want these parts to stick out like a sore thumb. Everything's gonna be shiny and new, and this part was gonna look old and dull. In a future video, I'm gonna bring together the new piece with the old piece so that you can get a side-by-side comparison and know exactly what I'm talking about. If you found this video helpful and you wanna continue following the build, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.